What's up, everybody? Want to give you the opportunity to save a little bit of cash. We're going to throw a special out there for you guys. We're going to go 30% off on select tires with install. I got a huge rack of tires just waiting to get installed sitting here. That way your bike is ready to roll for the springtime. And to add a little bit to the pot, we're going to offer free pickup and delivery in select areas. To sum it all up, you're going to save 30% off on tires. Your bike's going to be ready come first warm day of the spring, and you don't even have to worry about riding it down here. We'll come get it, bring it right back to you. Call us, stop by, let's get something set up.